Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is insightful. Let's discover what this useful word means. Insightful means showing a deep and accurate understanding of a person, situation, or idea. An insightful person notices important details and shares thoughtful observations. Here's an example. Her insightful feedback helped the team improve their presentation before the meeting. This means her thoughtful suggestions made the presentation stronger and more effective. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word insightful? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.